This is a session on PYQ of LR. My name is Ashish. Once again, okay. This is my very brief introduction. I'm an external faculty. I did work there for 8 long years, and I worked with an academy since last 7 months. So my overall experience is more than 8.5 years. You might find me today in your chat box. Yes, there are very bright chances that you will find me in the chat box. Like starting from 2017, I have always produced a student who scores more than 99.9 percentile. Okay, so chalo. Now that's fine. I think. चलो that's fine. Now एक बार फटाफट ये कर लेना आप इफ यू आर नॉट ऑन आवर टेलीग्राम चैनल ऑफ अन अकेडमी कैट ऑफिशियल टेलीग्राम चैनल ये लिंक कॉपी करके पेस्ट इट इन द ब्राउजर एंड यस यू विल बी एक इंटरफेस ओपन होगा एंड लुक फॉर अन अकेडमी कैट एंड ज्वाइन इट वी आर अ वेरी फास्ट ग्रोइंग फैमिली ये बहुत पहले का अकाउंट है अभी तो वी हैव क्रॉस्ड 3000 if you are preparing for CAT 2021 20221 ठीक है तो I do strongly recommend go with the subscription क्यों you'll get everything that you need आपको क्या लगता है classes you will get classes you'll get doubt clearing sessions lots of them you'll get mocks unlimited mocks plus you'll get their analysis and we're not specific to CAT we are not specific to CAT, ZAT, NMAT, IFT. We are specific to all of them. Other classes, specific mocks, and so on. Having said that, let's start. Fatafat. Let me bring out the question for you guys. The question is this. So, I'll give you 5 minutes to attempt the question, and then we will. A very good question. It is one of the PYQs. Okay, it is one of the PYQs. So I'll give you 5 minutes to attempt this question, 5 to 7 minutes, and then we will discuss this question. Chalo boys. Oops, sir, आपको तो गायब होना पड़ेगा. Sir, आपको गायब होना पड़ेगा. Okay, मैं हो जाऊंगा. I don't mind. Give me a second. Sir, तो गायब हो गए. Where is the question? Sure. Attempt this question. I'll come back. So meanwhile, you guys can join my Telegram group, official Telegram group. बॉर्डर पे फिटर में यू हैव द लिंक unacademy_आशीष आपको सर्च करना है टेलीग्राम पे एंड यू विल गेट ओवर इट चलो गाइस one of the very good questions of PYQs do attempt this question in Gargi's family there are A B C D E F and G other than her consisting of mother, father, brother, sister, uncle, grandfather, and grandmother. So there are 7 relationships. Okay, they are doctor, professor, director, actor, minister, business person, and artist by profession, not necessarily in the same order. Okay, Gargi herself is a manager of the leading restaurant and invites the family to her restaurant, having round tables for seating to have dinner. Okay, तो गार्गी ने अपने सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स को she invited to her restaurant and made her sit on a round table. Fine. The family members select a table for dinner while Gargi is on duty. Gargi herself is not sitting with them. Few of the other details are mentioned: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I'm watching you guys from the comment box, chat box. Don't forget. It's a very good question. Ideally, this question should take, if appears in examination, 8 to 10 minutes to figure out. And LRDA ka ek question, if you solve in 8 to 10 minutes, you're absolutely fine with it. You're absolutely fine with it. Read the questions properly, read the clues properly, अच्छे से read out करो. In these kind of questions, it is very important to find a particular order if required. कुछ questions में order का importance नहीं होता है. In this question, there is importance of the order. Chalo, you have some more time left. Do attempt the question. And don't forget to like the stream. Don't forget to like the stream. Come on, boys. चैट बॉक्स मुझे बताओ कितने लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है ये अभी तक कुछ समझ रहा नहीं. Anybody? As of now, the mother and the father, they do not sit together. Okay, इसमें relationship भी है persons का आपस में. Shall we discuss? You guys want to discuss this? It was a very good question. We have space? Yes, we have space. हम लोग कर सकते हैं next page पर discuss. कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. You can discuss this on the next page. Okay. Because this is odd time, beta. Chalo. Let's solve this. देखो, what could have been done. What could have been done to this question? क्या कर सकते थे आप? It was कि देखो, there are 7 family members. हम क्या करेंगे? We need to draw the space. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 family members. Okay. Which clue to start with? So if you read it properly, let's figure this out together. Which clue we can start with? So we can start with this D. D से शुरू कर सकते हैं. The grandmother is seated on the immediate left of D, who is an actor. So the grandmother is seated to the immediate left of D, who is an actor. So we can place grandmother over here. Grandmother, immediate left of D. D is an actor. Yes or no? So this clue is a good clue to start with. This clue is a good clue to start with. अब इसके बाद आप क्या कर सकते थे? Just read it out carefully. Okay, grandmother से एक और clue है, clue G. There is one family member between grandmother and C, who is a director. Fine. So there is one family member between grandmother and G and C, who is a director. Okay. तो अच्छा नेम कर देते हैं. Let's name the places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's name the places. So director could be at 3, director could be at 6. We have 2 options. So without any hesitation, as we have learned already, we will draw this second option as well, second case as well. Grandmother over here. D actor over here. In this case, let us place professor, or let us place C, who is the director over here. C, who is director over here. And in the second case, let us place C, who is director over here. Fine. Chalo. So this has been taken care of. ये हो गया. Now, okay. C is, now we have C as well ना. अभी देखो C भी हमारे पास है. So this B can be used. C is seated on the immediate left of professor and A sits with B. So C is to the immediate left of professor. So first case में professor would be here at 5. सेकेंड वाले केस में प्रोफेसर को पुट कर दो, ट्राई करो. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. सेकेंड वाले केस में प्रोफेसर वुड बी ओवर हियर. सी इज टू द इमीडिएट लेफ्ट ऑफ प्रोफेसर. करेक्ट. चलो. एंड ए सिट्स विथ बी. ये अभी तक यूज नहीं किया है, इसलिए इसको कट नहीं किया मैंने. ठीक है. नाउ एच देखो, फादर इज अ डॉक्टर एंड सिट्स बिटवीन प्रोफेसर एंड द सिस्टर. ये एच क्यों पिक किया? क्योंकि नाउ वी हैव प्रोफेसर, तो वी कैन प्लेस फादर. ओके. फादर इज अ डॉक्टर एंड सिट्स बिटवीन प्रोफेसर एंड सिस्टर. फर्स्ट वाले केस में फादर इज बिटवीन प्रोफेसर एंड सिस्टर. फादर इज अ डॉक्टर एंड सिट्स बिटवीन प्रोफेसर एंड सिस्टर. So we have professor at 4 in first case. Father must be adjacent to. Father is a doctor and sits between professor and sister. Okay. Great. अभी देखो इस वाले केस में father would be adjacent to professor. ठीक है, तो father could be at 3, father could be at 5, but we know that father is doctor as well. अब father अगर doctor है तो 3 पर तो नहीं बैठेगा ना, 3 पर तो director already है, so father would be here at 5, and father is a doctor, correct. Sits between sister and professor, so sister would be at 6, sister would be at 6. In the same way, second case में, second वाले केस में, father is a professor and sits between doctor, father is a doctor and sits between professor and sister. तो प्रोफेसर के बगल में फादर बैठना है, so it could be there at 1, it could be there at 6. 1 पे पॉसिबल नहीं है ना, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी देयर इज ग्रैंड मदर एट 1. 6 पे देख लेते हैं, 6 पे भी पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि 6 पे डायरेक्टर बैठा है, तो सेकेंड केस इज एलिमिनेटेड. द केस इज एलिमिनेटेड. क्यों? क्योंकि प्रोफेसर के बगल में फादर को बिठाना है एंड फादर इज अ डॉक्टर. प्रोफेसर इज एट 7 इन सेकेंड केस, तो फादर मस्ट बी एट ईदर 1 और 6. 1 पे तो यू ऑलरेडी हैव ग्रैंड मदर, सो यू कैन नॉट हैव फादर. 6 पे you can have father, but father is a doctor, not a director. So second case is eliminated. First case is as of now our possibility. चलो, अब उसके बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं? So this H has been taken care of. This H has been taken care of. चलो, ओके, तो अच्छा, इसमें हम फादर हमने बिठाया था ना फादर को. वी कैन पुट फादर ओवर हियर, दिस केस इज एलिमिनेटेड. अच्छा, क्या हो गया? वो हमने पूरा किया था ना. दिस केस वाज एलिमिनेटेड बिकॉज वी वर नॉट एबल टू फिगर आउट फादर. ठीक है, फादर अ डॉक्टर ओवर हियर एंड सिस्टर वुड बी हियर. यस, एरर, ये निकल जा रहा है हर बार. यू हैव टू गिव मी अ सेकेंड. चलो, यू हैव टू गिव मी अ सेकेंड. वापस जाएंगे उस पेज पे. चलो, अब नहीं होगा. चलो, अब क्या है? इसके बाद फादर हम यहां वापस प्लेस कर देते हैं जो हमने प्लेस किया था. Father is a doctor and sits between sister and professor. चलो, H was taken care of. अब इसके बाद अच्छा, check C. The artist is either sister or grandmother and sits to the immediate right of father. We know father के right में you have artist. We know father के right में you have artist. मतलब sister is artist. So it was given ना कि आर्टिस्ट या तो सिस्टर है या तो ग्रैंड मदर है. सो वी नो दैट इट इज सिस्टर. ग्रैंड मदर नहीं, इट इज सिस्टर. वेलकम एवरीबॉडी. चलो, अच्छा, अब देखो ये E sits second to the left of director, we have director. E sits second to the left of director, we have director. ठीक है, C is director at 3, so E should be at 1. This has been taken care of. क्लूज कट करते जाने से ना इट इज बेटर, आपको समझ में आता है कि हाँ ठीक है किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं. ओके, G who is an artist sits with business person F who is a female. So G sits with the business person F who is a female. तो ठीक है, G is an artist, so G would be this would be G. Sits with business person, तो 5 पे तो father already, doctor, so business person would be here, business person. F, and she's a female. Female मतलब क्या? Either she would be a grandmother or sister or mother. Sister तो मिल चुकी है, grandmother तो मिल चुकी है. The only possibility is this business person must be mother. Yes, has been taken care of. Okay. Brother is not a professor and sits with grandmother. Brother is not a professor. अच्छा, grandmother के बगल में you have brother. Already एक तरफ mother है. Brother has to be actor. So this has been taken care of. Also, the mother and the father do not sit together. हाँ ठीक है, ये तो पता है, ये तो मिल गया. अच्छा, ये सेकेंड पार्ट हमने नहीं पढ़ा था अभी तक. A sits with B. A or B, where they could sit? They could be father, doctor or professor in any order. A, B, B, A. ये हमें नहीं पता. So this also has been taken care of. हमने सब कुछ ठिकाने लगा दिया. We cannot decode it further. क्या क्या बचा है आपके पास? ग्रैंडमदर का प्रोफेशन. सो प्रोफेशन में एक्टर हो गया, डायरेक्टर हो गया, प्रोफेसर हो गया, डॉक्टर हो गया, आर्टिस्ट हो गया, बिजनेस पर्सन हो गया. क्या बच गया है? प्रोफेसर हो गया, डॉक्टर हो गया, डायरेक्टर हो गया, एक्टर हो गया. अच्छा, मिनिस्टर बच गया. सो ग्रैंडमदर मस्ट बी मिनिस्टर. Also this the professions of C and this किसका? C and अच्छा नहीं, the relationship of Gargi with C and this AB is not clear. तो वो कौन कौन है? वो कौन कौन है? They are grandfather and uncle. So they must be grandfather and uncle in any order. Uncle and grandfather. Grandfather, uncle in any order. This is the final diagram. हम लोग इसको further decode नहीं कर सकते. This was not easy to figure out. I would strongly recommend कि एक बार आप लोग वापस क्या करना, वीडियो को पॉज करके, वीडियो चला के वीडियो को पॉज करके एक बार सॉल्व करना and watch the solution if required. ठीक है? तो let's answer question number 17. How many minimum number of people are between business person and professor? तो business person and professor के बीच में there are minimum of 2 persons, artist and the doctor. Next, if B is a doctor, then who is A? If B is a doctor, अगर B doctor है, check this out. तो 5 पे B would be the doctor, तो 4 पे A would be the professor. Okay. If C is the uncle, then professor is. अगर C uncle है, if C is the uncle, मतलब 3 पे uncle आ गया, then who is? Then professor is. If C is uncle, तो professor would be grandfather. Yes or no? अगर C पे uncle को डाल दिया तो 4 पे grandfather आ जाएंगे, and 4 पे you have professor as well. Professor is grandfather. Who sits 3 places to the right of mother? Mother के 3 places to the right. Mother is F at position 7. 3 places to the right is C, director, uncle or grandfather. Okay. 3 places to the right, director, uncle, grandfather. तो for sure director तो है ना, अंकल का पक्का पता नहीं, ग्रैंडफादर का पक्का पता नहीं, ब्रदर तो है नहीं. ठीक है, तो पक्के से कौन है? डायरेक्टर. यस और नो? चेक दिस आउट. 3 places to the right of mother. 7 पे मदर है, 3 places to the right of mother would be C. थर्ड पोजीशन. तो अंकल हो सकता है, ग्रैंडफादर हो सकता है, बट डायरेक्टर तो पक्का है ना. We should mark director over there. अगर cannot be determined होगा तो भी you should have marked the director if director was there. Chalo, attempt this particular question. The next one. And so, what is the question? Which of this trainer? अच्छा आप डायग्राम ड्रॉ करता हो, डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर डालो. Draw this. Attempt this question, boy. A group of students A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I visit Sheesh Mahal in Jaipur and play a game of standing in horizontal line in front of a mirror as per the direction seen in the reflection. The group consists of 4 girls and 5 boys, and none of the boys are at the extreme end positions. All the boys stand together with no girl in between. A takes the lead and stands in the center to give directions as per those seen in the reflection. Some other directions which A gives are fine, and you have 5A, B, C, D, E. So, attempt this question. Do attempt this question, boy. A group of students A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I visit Sheesh Mahal in Jaipur and play a game of standing in horizontal line in front of a mirror as per the direction seen in the reflection. Now, ideal time required to solve this question would be somewhere around 5 minutes. Attempt this question, boys. I'm in comment box. This question is on the easier side. It's not that difficult, this particular one. You have 2 more minutes. We'll discuss this question. आ जाओ. Okay, 30 more seconds. देखो क्या करना था इस क्वेश्चन में. सिंपल सा अरेंजमेंट था. आई होप यू हैव रेड द क्वेश्चन. A group of students A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I visit Sheesh Mahal in Jaipur and play a game of standing in a horizontal line in front of a mirror as per the direction seen in the reflection. ठीक है. So reflection में क्या होता है, सब कुछ उल्टा हो जाता है. Correct. The group consists of 4 girls and 5 boys and none of the boys are at the extreme end positions. Awesome. All the boys stand together. सारे लड़के साथ में खड़े रहते हैं and no girls are there in between. Great. A takes the lead and stands in the center. चलो let's start. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. A stands in the center. A would be here. हम क्या करेंगे ना, जो भी मेल होगा उसको स्क्वायर बॉक्स कर देंगे और जो भी फीमेल होगा उसको सर्कल कर देंगे हम. ठीक है. चलो. A takes the lead and stands in the center to give directions. Some other directions were G is on the extreme left. Fine. G को इस कॉर्नर पर डाल देते हैं. हम एज इट इज रीड आउट कर लेंगे. फाइन. एज इट इज सॉल्व कर लेंगे. लास्ट में सॉल्व होने के बाद वी विल रिवर्स द डायरेक्शंस. सॉल्व होने के बाद वी विल रिवर्स द डायरेक्शंस. तो G is on the extreme left while A is to the immediate left of D. D would be here. Fine. Great. C stands two places to the right of A and is not a girl. C stands 2 places to the right of A and is not a girl. So C is a boy. Fine. Chalo. There are 5 boys and 4 girls. All 5 boys are together. Keep this in mind. So A has been taken care of. B has been taken care of. H is second to the left of B and to the immediate right of G. H is second to the left of B and immediate right of G. H would be here and B would be here. Yes or no? H is second to the left of B and to the immediate right of G. Okay. This has been taken care of. E is not on the extreme ends and is not a girl. So E is not on the extreme end and is not a girl. ठीक है. तो मतलब E is a boy. Fine. So E could be either here or E could be here. E could be here or E could be here, but E is a boy. चलो. B always stands between 2 boys. तो यहां पर जो भी होगा must be a boy. B must be a boy. Why? Because all the 5 boys they stand together. A must be a boy and D must be a boy. All others must be girls. Having said that, अब वापस D को वेरीफाई करोगे तो E cannot be over here. E के लिए एक ही ऑप्शन बचता है this and remaining G H they must be girls. यहां पर और यहां पर they must be girls. क्या बच गया यहां पर I and A B C D E F. I and F are here in any order. I F इनको डिकोड कर सकते हैं क्या? This has been taken care of. 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 अब इनको फर्दर डिकोड नहीं कर सकते. So our answer is this. Based on this, you can answer any of the question. The first question was, which of the following statements is always true? अच्छा ठीक है, ये तो इस तरीके से हो गया ना. जब आप एक्चुअल अरेंजमेंट क्या होगा? एक्चुअल अरेंजमेंट होगा ये मिरर में देख के था, तो मिरर में सब उल्टा हो जाता है. करेक्ट. तो एक्चुअल अरेंजमेंट क्या हो जाएगा? F I being girl, I F again a girl, 2. Then C D A B E, these are boys. H and G, H girl, G girl. ठीक है. Which of the following is always true? F and I are girls. Yes. E is a boy but A is a girl. No, this is wrong. A and D stand together. This is wrong. C and I stand together. This is not definitely true. It could be true, but it is not definitely true. Circle represents girl. Okay, circle represents girl. Next, who is 3 places to the right of A? Who is 3 places to the right of A? Considering A's direction sense as not that of reflection. Considering A's direction sense, तो reflection में भी जाओगे और ऐसे भी जाओगे तो it would be the same person. 3 places to the right of A. A का 3 place to the right is H. A का 3 place to the right is H. Next question. If there are 2 students between F and D, then I as per reflection is if there are 2 students between F and D. मतलब F should be here. F should be here. तो I should be I as per reflection is ये एक्चुअल है ना एक्चुअल में इमीडिएटली I would be here. एक्चुअल में एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट पर आई है एक्चुअल में एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट पर आई है बट रिफ्लेक्शन में I would be on the extreme right. रिफ्लेक्शन में I would be on the extreme right. Reflection में I would be on the extreme right. Next, if there are 2 students between F and D, again, अच्छा same question है ना ये. Sorry boys. चलो बढ़िया. Let's attempt one more question. इस बार let me figure out a PYQ of DI. So, attempt this question. The following table gives the number of t-shirts sold. The following table gives the number of t-shirts sold in 1000 units in Delhi and Mumbai. The t-shirts are sold in different styles of S1, S2, S3 and S4 with the different colors as shown in the table. So ये पूरा का पूरा एक table है where you have t-shirts of 7 different colors: pink, red, green, yellow, blue, white, black, and in 2 different styles: Delhi style and Mumbai style. Delhi style and Mumbai style. ये सारे styles है S1, S2, S3, S4. पूरा का पूरा sales given है. Based on this, we have certain questions. Try to answer this question. The first one. Attempt this question. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. कर लो फटाफट. I'll give you again 2 minutes for this particular question. Attempt the question. I'm in the comment box. The average sales of which color t-shirt? Answer this question. देखो, shall we attempt this question? करना है क्या बोलो? Yeah, you guys are still trying. The average sales of which color t-shirt sold in is same in both of the cities. इसके लिए बढ़िया मेथड क्या था बताए? ये एक तो मेथड है कि आप एवरेज निकाल लो, ऐड करके 4 से डिवाइड कर दो दोनों के लिए इंडिविजुअली एंड चेक दैट। एक दूसरा और बढ़िया मेथड क्या है कि यू कैन यूज द बैलेंसिंग ऑफ एवरेज का मेथड। जैसे इफ येलो वाज द आंसर, चलो येलो को चेक करते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये 60 है, वी विल मेक दिस 60 और इसका 3 इथर डाल देते हैं, तो ये 60 और 60 इक्वल हो गया। देखो एवरेज इक्वल होगा तो सम भी इक्वल होगा ना, कहने का मतलब ये है एवरेज इक्वल होगा तो सम भी इक्वल होगा। बढ़िया। अब ये 69 है तो लेट्स मेक दिस 69, इसको 69 बना देंगे तो 7 और ऐड करना पड़ेगा इसमें। एंड नाउ आई कैन कैंसिल आउट दिस 69 एंड 69। See this is now 60 और ये अगेन 69 है, हम इसको 85 बना सकते हैं and we can make this 69. So this and this is cancelled out and 85 and 66 is something we are left with. They are not equal. So yellow cannot be the answer. The sum has to be equal. इससे फास्ट हो जाता है, आपको शो कर रहा हूं इसलिए स्लो हो रहा, नहीं तो बहुत फास्ट हो जाता है। If we check blue, अगर ब्लू को चेक करेंगे तो देखो दिस इज क्या है ये, लेट्स मेक दिस 64, तो प्लस 10 कर देते हैं यहाँ, इसको 72 कर देते हैं, तो दिस इज टेकन केयर ऑफ 64 roughly 72 74 एंड सी दिस इज 98 एंड 99, ये 94 और 75, डेफिनेटली ये सम इक्वल नहीं है, तो ब्लू के केस में भी इट इज नॉट इक्वल। ब्लैक के केस में आ जाओ, फाइन, चलो 51 ये दो मिला के 97 हो गया, 76 86 90, so definitely this is much more than that of, क्या बच गया आपका? red would be the answer. If you wish you can check that. Attempt the next question. Which style t-shirt has the highest difference in the number of units sold between two cities of Delhi and Mumbai? Answer this quickly. Answer this quickly. Answer this quickly. Which style t-shirt has the highest difference, the highest possible difference? आपको इस क्वेश्चन के लिए बस ऐड करना था, ऐड करके आपको फिगर आउट करना था, ओके, देयर वाज नो रॉकेट साइंस। जैसे आपको ये पूरा ऐड करना है, ये पूरा ऐड करना है, करेक्ट, और एंड देन यू हैव टू फिगर आउट द डिफरेंस विथ रिस्पेक्टिव S1 ऑफ मुंबई, S2 ऑफ मुंबई, S3 ऑफ मुंबई एंड S4 ऑफ मुंबई। डू एट दिस, तो ये हो गया 7 6 13, yes, would be taken care of, everything would be taken care of. चलो, yes, S4 was the right answer. हम लोग डायरेक्टली S4 पे जंप करते हैं, ठीक है। आपको ये पूरा ऐड करना था, ऐड करोगे तो ऐड करना इज प्रीटी इजी, इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है। 9 5 14 20 29 37 42 47 470 480 489 491 495 496, दिस टोटल इज 496। इसको ऐड करोगे you'll get 8 9 70 17 24 30 37 44 53 537 539 543 549 551 552 554. So difference between these two is 58, which will be the highest? Which will be the highest? Which will be the highest? ठीक है, चलो attempt this one. Attempt this one. For everything we can connect personally. For all of the doubts we can connect personally. If the profit margins of t-shirt of various styles S1, S2, S3 and S4 are 100, 100, 120 and 120 respectively, then among the color and the city combinations given below, which combination has the maximum profit? Which combination has the maximum profit? Which combination has the maximum profit? Attempt this question, boys. अच्छा, निकालना कैसे है? निकालना कैसे है आप देखो, द करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस इज ग्रीन दिल्ली. निकालना कैसे? मैं ग्रीन दिल्ली के लिए आपको निकाल के दिखा देता हूँ, आपको सबके लिए निकालना है. ठीक है, तो ग्रीन दिल्ली, दिस इज ग्रीन एंड दिल्ली. इन दोनों का प्रॉफिट इज 100 ईच. इन दोनों का प्रॉफिट इज हाउ मच? 120 ईच. सो आंसर वुड बी 71 प्लस 89 इंटू 100. प्लस 92 प्लस 65 इंटू 120. करेक्ट. S3 और S4 में, इन दोनों में द प्रॉफिट्स आर 120 पर पीस. इन दोनों में प्रॉफिट्स आर 100 पर पीस. ठीक है, सो इन दिस वे यू कैन फिगर दिस आउट. आपको सबके लिए निकालना था. इट वाज रियल लेंदी. आपको सबके लिए निकालना था. ग्रीन दिल्ली वुड हैव बीन द आंसर. चेक दिस क्वेश्चन आउट. From the combinations given below, which one has minimum difference in units sold across cities of Delhi and Mumbai? From the combinations given below, which one has minimum difference in units sold across Delhi and Mumbai? Vishal, we can connect personally for the same beta. From the combinations given below, which one has minimum difference across Delhi and Mumbai? This was the easiest of all. Red S2. Red S2. 70 over here and 89 over here. The difference is of 19. Green S2. Green S2. Green 89 over here and 70 over here. The difference again is 19. Yellow S1. 50 over here and 69 over here. The difference is 19. Black S3. Black S3, 76 over here, 94 over here. The difference is 18. The answer is D. Yes. Sure. If you guys are preparing for CAT 2021, I hope you are following everybody's lecture. In case you need complete classes, YouTube पे आपका basics हो जाएगा definitely. But if you need complete classes ना, classes, detailed classes CAT 21 के लिए, you should go with the subscription thing. Working professional should go with an year subscription and student should go with 2-year subscription. आपको सब कुछ मिल जाता है, जो कुछ भी चाहिए आपको prepare करने के लिए. Everything is that you get in subscription. Everything that you need with proper assistance. So, having said that, we'll stop here for the day. We'll meet tomorrow again.